Mailchimp tutorial: how to connect Mailchimp to Shopify 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be discussing about how you can use Mailchimp and connect it with your Shopify. Okay, now I'm going to be explaining all of this in like the easiest and most simplest steps possible. So please do make sure to watch this video till the end and keep listening to all of the information that I am going to be providing, because if you do that properly and you fully listen to me till the end, then I guarantee you that by the end you're going to fully learn how you're going to integrate and connect your Mailchimp with your Shopify. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into it. So first of all, what you're going to do is obviously have a proper fully set up Mailchimp account. Okay, I assume you're already going to have one, so I'm not going to budge into this. Now, once you have a fully created Mailchimp account, let me tell you how you're going to go ahead and start a Shopify account. So obviously you're going to head over to your shopify.com. And once you are in your shopify.com, what you're going to do is obviously you're going to go ahead and create a store. Now, obviously you can use anything. You can use your any email or something like that. I'm obviously going to go ahead and skip all of the sign up questions. I don't really want to go ahead and answer a lot of that. I'm just going to I just want to get straight into the creation of the store. So obviously take your email, paste it, and obviously choose your password. Okay, choose a strong password for your store. We don't want anyone getting into our store or anything. And once you choose your password, obviously you're gonna go ahead and enter it. Now once you enter it and all the necessities are done, obviously it's going to ask you a few more questions to go along with, and you're just going to have to just make sure to answer most of them. Okay, and as we keep going ahead, pretty simple stuff. Okay, now moving on, once all of this is happening and your store is being created, you're also going to make sure like to come back to your Mailchimp. Okay, in your Mailchimp, as you can see over here, down here, you have the integration section. Okay, now in the integration section, what's going to happen is they're already going to give you, as you can see, their most popular store integration or most popular store connection is Shopify. Okay, and you can obviously go ahead and integrate that. So connect the tools that power your business, discover new ways to save time and expand your reach with these powerful apps and integrations. So obviously you can go ahead and just use this integration tool that you have in front of you, or you can just do it directly from your Shopify. Okay, so obviously in some cases Shopify might work slow, in some cases Shopify might work quickly, but yeah, you get the point. So just make sure to go ahead and just click on Shopify. Okay, and once you do that, obviously it's going to open the whole integration and app status and all that. So yeah, we're just going to wait for that to load us in. And I'm just going to go ahead and log into my store in the meantime. And obviously here you can see accelerate your Shopify growth with powerful Mailchimp segments, personalizations, and automations. Okay, unlock new ways to your market and accelerate your fullest sales when you connect your Shopify store or POS to your Mailchimp. Okay, and then obviously once you get there, you're just going to click on get started, and what it's going to do is it's going to bring you here to the Shopify app store. And over here, as you can see, Mailchimp email marketing free plan is totally available. Okay, obviously additional charges will apply, and popular businesses actually use it. The email marketing platform that actually recommends ways to improve content targeting and automations. Mailchimp is an email marketing and automation platform used by entrepreneurs to build their brand and their businesses. Our precision targeted emails, expert insights, and powerful marketing CRM give you everything that you need to scale up and sell more. Get started to see how Mailchimp can supercharge your growth for less. This integration works with Shopify online store and POS, which is also your point of sale. And as you can see, you have more features, launch email automations like abandoned cart, welcome and re-engage customers, access your creative assets in Content Studio for instant reuse across channels, make AI-powered improvements to your copy and imagery with Content Optimizer, leverage insights powered by data from millions of campaigns into your industry, and pop-up forms and landing pages which will come pre-built and ready to be published in the matter of seconds. Okay, so obviously you can go ahead and use all those things. And again, right now, as you can see, I'm just going to click on add app. Now once you click on add app, it's going to bring you to your stores. Obviously I'm just going to go with any one of my stores. Now, once you choose your stores, as you can see, it's going to tell you to sign in or log in with your store URL. If you don't have a store URL, obviously just go ahead and create a store for yourself. Really simple. Again, it gives you the whole sign up system, and I'm just going to do the same that I did before. Just add all the necessary things, paste. And once you've created, a fully strong password, again, create your ID, and then, just go ahead and enter the password you have for your ID. And once you do all that, obviously it's going to bring you through your whole Shopify thing going on. And, once you've logged in with your whole proper Shopify email and everything, yeah, basically it's just going to be cake from there. It's going to be really simple. It's going to be really easy. And yeah, it's just really fun stuff from there on out to do for your page. Okay. And obviously moving further on, moreover, as you can see, once you have the store opened up and everything, just go to your apps and guides. Again, do the same thing. Go ahead, write Mailchimp. And once you write Mailchimp, again, it's gonna, and also know that this is Mailchimp for your email marketing. Okay, if you want Mailchimp for creating forms and landing pages, you can also go with this, and a lot of people also use this. So for forms and landing pages, go and use this. For your email marketing, go and use this. So yeah, pretty simple stuff, pretty easy, pretty basic stuff to have for your page. And yeah, that's the integration on the part of the connection for your Mailchimp with your basic Shopify store. And as you can see, it's really simple and it's really easy to nail this down. And yeah, basically that's about it when it comes to your email marketing with Shopify and Mailchimp. And as you can see, you have 4 different plans with your Mailchimp when it comes to Shopify. First of all, the free plan, which contains your emailing, marketing CRM, which is your customer relationship management, creative assistance, sign up forms, landing pages, social posting, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, postcards, domains, and more. Then you have the Essential plan, which is $13 a month. It has email templates, A/B testing, 24/7 chat support, etc. And you have Standard, which is $20, and obviously Premium, which is, what the big companies use. It's $350, and it has all the previous features that you can see, and it has advanced segmentation, multivariate testing, unlimited seats, and role-based access, and phone support, and it also has unlimited contact access. So you can import as many contacts, like you can import millions and millions of contacts. There is going to be no cap on the number of contacts you pull. So yeah, that's basically about it when it comes to discussing, connection of Shopify with your Mailchimp. So basically, yeah, that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below and I will make more for you. But yeah, that's about it. Until then, thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will be seeing all of you next time. Goodbye.